Littering in public places is injurious to the environment.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to our channel Holiday Mania. Last vlog alli nodirtira that we had an amazing time here at Ayatana waterfalls hatra. We had so many photo shoots and now we are going for the high tea. And high tea, you can enjoy your tea or coffee with this amazing view of the waterfalls, which is just amazing. And made barak shuru aitu joragi as soon as we left the high tea place, and we enjoyed a lot in this place. So I'm recommending this place to you guys. Do visit this place. So we just had amazing snacks here at the Forest Tavern, and now we are going back to our room. Full bante ಆಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ, so ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ freshen up ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು just look at the view, full green and lights ಕೂಡ on ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, which is giving it a very beautiful view. Till now it was raining heavily. We got some amazing shots, so now we'll go take some rest and then we'll again come back down to capture some more amazing night views this time. We came back to the room, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ freshen up ಆದ್ವಿ. ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ and Amma also has changed her dress, and we are resting some time in the balcony. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಆಚೆ. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿರತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. It's very loud, and in some time we'll go down for dinner. I know we just had snacks, but we want dinner also. So we'll have dinner and then we'll sleep early today. ಏನಕ್ಕಂದರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಶೂಟ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ. So we are all ready to go for dinner. This is our table and the view from our table in 3, 2, 1. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿರೋದು ಫಾಲ್ಸು, and this is the pool right here. And I have started with lemon soup, which looks very tasty. So with this view we'll be having our dinner. So this is my starters. So this is my main course. I have veg biryani, gobi, I don't know, this is like cheese, only cheese, paneer and dal. I have ordered veg kulcha, adu barbeku innu. I'm enjoying my food with that view. My kulcha is here, full butter kulcha, and Appa's roti is also here. Amma is having her very normal food, which is puttu, and this one is bamboo curry with this view. Again I'm showing you guys the view because it's that tasty. The view is not tasty, the food is tasty and the view is beautiful. I am done with my dinner and I didn't take any dessert. ಏನಕ್ಕಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ pastry ಅಷ್ಟು ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, and there was no ice cream. Amma is staring at me right now. And she's like, so I finished my dinner very early actually, so I'm bored right now, so I picked up the camera. Hi. So that's it for today. I'll meet you guys tomorrow in the morning, so stay tuned. Hey guys, good morning, and this is day 2 in Ayatana, Coorg. ಇವಾಗ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ around how much? 6:30, and we are going towards the waterfall for a few photos. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ತೆಗಿಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಸ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ಫುಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲಿಸನ್ ಟು ದ ನೇಚರ್ ಸೌಂಡ್. So it's very nice, and we decided to walk instead of taking the buggy so that we can experience this. And waterfall hatra hodmel I'll meet you guys.